All right, y'all, let's get weird. I'm Annie, and today I'm trying all the weird food combinations that I've seen y'all eating on the internet. This will be a true taste bud challenge and a test of my gag reflex, so y'all wish me luck. Pringles and whipped cream. Who does this? Here we go. Kind of with whipped cream. It almost makes the Pringle taste like an ice cream cone, like a waffle cone. No, it works. I can't hate. Okay, legend has it, a study done by Kellogg's found that 1/5 of Americans use orange juice instead of milk in their cereal. Sweet on sweet on sweet. Can't be bad, right? Y'all, that is foul. The cereal also gets way more soggy, I guess because orange juice is just sugar water, essentially. No for me, dog. So next up we have Flamin' Hot Cheeto Crispy Treats. I've actually been really excited about this one because it looks just crazy enough to be delicious. I can't fit my mouth around it. What? It's sweet, but hot and so spicy. Yet there's this weird fruity flavor and I don't know where it's coming from. But oh my gosh, these things are hot. Ooh, but that's really good. Also, just how pretty is it? Y'all have to try this for yourself. Let me know what you think. Next up, we got fruit punch tuna salad.
So as you can see, I have a problem.
Look at this monstrosity. Who in their right mind is whipping this up? Okay. Okay. Here we go. Here's the dunk. Here we go. And okay, my gag reflexes kicked in with that first bite because of the soggy bread. Who likes soggy bread? But the flavor itself is really not that bad. So just mixing it into the tuna salad, I'm not opposed to. And I don't know, weirdly kind of brilliant. Definitely a struggle meal, but it works. All right, this might look like a standard quesadilla, but no. It's got bananas hidden inside. It's not bad. It's a good play on cheese and fruit. This is a dang good quesadilla if I do say so. Next up, we got apples with salt and pepper. I don't mind the salt because it's like apples and peanut butter. Peanut butter has a lot of salt, but the pepper is just like a little unwelcome. Definitely add some savory to your sweet. I don't hate it, but I'm not on board. Sorry, y'all. Okay, next up we got peanuts and Coke. Big Southern tradition, and apparently I've already messed up because I should have started with bottled Coke instead. I believe you take the Coke and pour the salted peanuts inside. Just load it up. Let's try it. Ooh, I like that. Because Coke is so sweet on its own, the hint of salt is really nice. And I guess you can just really like let them soak in there. / eat them when you're done. I got one. And the peanut's good too. This is a win. Orange juice and Oreos. Oh, I can tell you right off the bat, I'm not gonna like this because I'm not a big chocolate and orange fan. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, you know what? I misjudged. It's like this. You're already used to eating kind of soggy Oreos if you dip them in milk. This just has a nice little acidity that cuts through the cream a little bit. How wrong was I? Okay. Milk's favorite cookie? Not anymore. Is anyone at all surprised that I'm starting to feel ill? Next up, we have the epitome of salty sweet. Vanilla ice cream and soy sauce. Whoa. You can smell the soy sauce so strong. Okay, maybe I went a little heavy on it. Looks like an affogato. It's not gonna taste like one. Here we go. Okay. Unexpected flavor, and I almost just tossed it right back out. But it's not that bad. Like I keep saying that. No, I'm gonna get sick if I have another bite of this. I think I've reached my limit. And I'm not even done yet. Look at this beauty. Unfortunately, I'm about to tarnish this goodness with something unthinkable. Actually, two things. M&Ms and Nutella. Believe it or not, there are actually a ton of weird food combos involving pizza. Personally, I'll usually take the crust and dip it in honey once I'm done with the slice. Y'all know Michael from Princess Diaries would be so proud right now. Here goes nothing. Whoa. That just took me for a ride. The main factors in play here are chocolate and cheese. If you're about it, it was pretty good. The pizza being hot helped and fresh. The crunch from the candy was also pretty good. I think I like it. It reminds me of like a cream cheese Danish with chocolate on top, or Nutella. This is the weirdest thing I've ever eaten, and I don't hate it. How many of y'all would actually eat this? Let me know. So my winners of the day, peanuts and Coke, Flamin' Hot Cheeto Crispy Treats, and Oreos and OJ. Those are my top 3. Try them for yourself, let me know what you think, or let me know what other combos you've created, because clearly there are no limits. Papa John's pizza is the best delivery, not an ad.